everybody, it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch, and today I'm talking about feeding the masses. Now, I'm not feeding the masses for Thanksgiving, which is happening next week, but I am feeding the masses in my house because I have house guests, and my household grew overnight from 4 people to 8 people, and tonight we're 9 people. So since we have extended house guests, this has been a really great exercise for me to be providing constant and large healthy meals for both adults and children. And I wanted to just introduce this concept to you of how I'm approaching it, as well as just sharing with you a little slideshow of what it is that we've been eating, because I know you guys are curious, those of you who know that we have family in town. I won't say that this is easy, but I will say that I had a little bit of a strategy in mind when I was grocery shopping and expecting family. The things that I am serving are large. They can be served multiple times. They can be translated into leftovers and other foods the next day. And I have been primarily, for cost reasons and health reasons, I have been buying whole foods rather than prepared foods or convenience foods for my family. So that means things like a whole beef brisket that I served the first night that they arrived in town, a whole slab of salmon from Costco. Tonight I am preparing organic beef burgers, Hebrew National hot dogs, we're picking up buns, and behind me I try to do like a big vegetable, whether it's raw or cooked. Behind me I have prepped in advance, it's lunchtime, but I've already prepared my blistered green beans with garlic. They're ready just to rewarm at dinner time. Over here I'm cutting up my tiny baked apples. These are the little crimson gold apples. I cut them in half. I need to scoop out the centers with a melon baller, and I'm gonna just put these face down in a baking sheet, and I do like lemon juice, butter or oil, and a sprinkle of sugar, and these go in the oven briefly at 400, maybe for 15-20 minutes, and they're a delicious baked apple. I have lots of snacks on hand that are healthy, easy, rinse and serve snacks. I have a giant thing of pita, a giant container of hummus, huge cucumbers that I just chopped the entire English cucumber, a giant thing of tomatoes, fruit. The kids have been grazing on the tomato plant in the yard that's still producing, and we're basically just moving along from meal to meal. family or how many mouths you have to feed, but I hope that these ideas have been helpful to you. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with someone you know. I am really happy that we're able to host our family. It is special cousin time that we haven't had in a long time with them. We're also introducing maybe some new foods that they're not used to trying, and they've been really good sports. I look forward to your feedback and your comments down below if you have any other great ideas for meals that feed the masses. When it's a quiet night here, I do have a frozen lasagna that I definitely plan on throwing in the freezer, so don't be fooled. We're gonna take it easy at least one night during this visit. Be well.